Cynthia from It's Pouring Paint. I am going to do another saran wrap pull today because I don't want to tilt it. So what I did is I flooded it with the white paint, and hopefully that will prevent me from having to tilt it, and I get that look that I saw yesterday. Yeah, so I'm not using as many paints as I did yesterday, and I'm using a couple different colors. Just to see what happens with that. This is always the fun part. And I'm trying to use up some of the paint because I'm going to start using Floetrol. So anyways, so what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to layer it with paint like so. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to see what all these different colors make. I think it's going to be very interesting. And I don't want to touch it. Like, I just want it to kind of stay where it was yesterday before I had to tilt it. And I had to tilt because I didn't have enough paint on, and it didn't cover the entire canvas. So there you have it. That's what I'm going to put onto it. Actually, I'm going to do some more because when I take a look at it, there's a lot of white in here, and I not necessarily want the white to be all that prominent. I'd rather the colors come through. And I'm trying to use up some of this paint. Of course, I don't want too much. It's like a battle. Just maybe just a little bit more black. Okay, so maybe that'll do. Looks Christmassy in my opinion. But all right. Doesn't really matter, I suppose, if you do that. You're gonna have to move these. Once I'm finished, we're gonna go ahead and dip. So I'm gonna apply the saran wrap. Well, this is just like a cellophane, not a saran wrap. And lightly go over. The saran wrap did not meet the edge. Okay. And lightly go over. Try and get out any air bubbles so when you pull it up, it actually does stick. Now yesterday a beautiful thing came out, and let me just make sure we got enough paint, because I don't want to tilt on this one. I really don't. I want it to be like it is. All right. Well, here we go. And there we have it. And that is precisely how I'm going to leave that. I am going to torch it, but oh my God, do I love this. I love this. It is just so beautiful. All right, get my little torch out. And this is, of course, going to provide some cells. Not that I love cells, because I don't. But it is what it is. So here we go. Some of those bubbles out. Well, that's not too bad. I don't know, guys. What do you think? All right. So I am going to leave it exactly like that. Now what I'm going to do is, my daughter has these itty bitty little guys here, and they are so cute. And we did this last time, and we're going to do it again. We're going to stick them in here and make little canvases. Oh, well, maybe we can tilt. Here, let me just, still no, eh? Well, all right. And that, there's a little canvas. I'm going to have to make sure I get this one in it, all covered. So let me see. Oh, maybe right down in here. And then maybe I'll just like push on the center. I don't know. You live and you learn, right? Oh, well, that turned out kind of nice. That's cute, right? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and let you go, and we'll come right back when I show you what it looks like dry. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please press the like button. If you want to talk to me about colors or anything like that, leave me a message. I'll get right back to you, and subscribe so you can see other projects that we do. So thank you for watching. See you next time.